Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A41. In this video I'll show you how to enable or disable App Drawer. As you can see right now, the App Drawer is enabled. If you want to disable it, tap and hold on the free space on the screen and go to Home Screen Settings. Now enter Home Screen Layout and select between Home and App Screens or Home Screen only. And now App Drawer is disabled. Let's enable it again. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.